Welcome back, Crammers, to question 10. The frequency table shows information about the number of cookies made by each of the 21 people in a cookery class. Write down the mode of the number of cookies made so we can see that mode is the most common. So if we can find the highest frequency, which is 7, we can then see the highest amount of cookies made are 11. Now what this means is 11 is simply repeated 7 times. 5, 6, and 7. That's it. Find the median number of cookies made. So we know that there are 21 people. So to find the median, we simply divide it by 2. So we have 21 divided by 2 is equal to 10.5. So we have to round up and look at the 11th person. So we can see here that the first frequency is 10. So 10 is only repeated once. 11 is repeated 7 times. So here I can write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And finally, we have here 12, which is repeated twice, and we have 13, which is repeated 5 times. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have 14 repeated 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 15 repeated twice. 15 is repeated twice. We simply look at the 11th number. So we can go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the median number of cookies made is 13. Find the total number of cookies made by the 21 people in the cookery class. So we simply multiply the number of cookies by the frequency. So first off, we have 10 times 1 plus 11 times 7 plus 12 times 2 plus 13 times 5 plus 14 times 4 plus 15 times 2. We can simplify this. 10 times 1 is 10 plus 11 times 7 is 77 plus 12 times 2 is 24. We have 13 times 5, which is 65. We have 14 times 4, which is 56. And we have 15 times 2, which is just 30. So we add 30 here. And we can use our calculator here. We have 10 plus 77 plus 24 plus 65 plus 56 plus 30. And we have a total amount of 262 cookies. 262. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.